Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we are looking at a 3-bedroom bungalow, and the major focus we're looking at here is a low budget house. So here we are looking on saving on space, saving on cost. So it's a very simple structure, rectangular in nature, and as I've always stated in my previous videos, a rectangular structure is very simple to construct. It definitely arises to less cost, so a low budget, and also it ensures that the roof is also very simple to construct, and also ensures that the budget that is spent is a bit lower, because there are not so many profiles. As you can see, it is just one roof sloping one way. So this is a very, very simple structure in totality. This is the back of the house. As you can see, you have the corner windows, and then to the side here you have the extension of the porch, the front porch, which also covers the kitchen yard. That is the kitchen yard you see there with the gas cage and the dopey sink. So as you can see, this particular structure, very rectangular, which means cost efficiency, less material, easier construction, and also the foundation is very simple. And that also includes space optimization. So this is a house that has 3 bedrooms. That is the front porch you see there, with a corner window that has the dining room and the kitchen. And then there you have your entry. That's the main door right there from the porch. And the other corner window on the other end is the lounge. So for me, what I like about this house is the simplicity. One sloping roof, and then one slab that will cover the porch and the kitchen yard. And then the material palette is natural stone, plaster, and some composite wood. This is the ArchiCAD model here. We left it at the entry point, which is this door here. This is the front porch where you can access from this door, or from this other door here from the dining area. So from the entryway you enter, and that is what you have. So to your left you have the lounge, to your right you have the dining that is directly opposite the open kitchen. So in totality, if we look at this plan in totality, that is what you see. So this is a very, very simple structure, as you can see. That is what you have. So as I stated earlier, the rectangular structure equals cost efficiency, easier construction, and space optimization. So I should state this particular house actually covers 90 square meters only, and it is a 3-bedroom house. So it is very efficient, it covers very little area in terms of land, and is also a low budget house. So in totality, there you have the entry porch, and then the doorway here. You have the dining area that is opposite the open kitchen. You have the lounge in that particular section, and as you move further, and then you get into the private areas of the home, where you have bedroom 01 here, bedroom 02, with the shared facilities in between. And then directly onwards, you have the master bedroom that is ensuite with its own bathroom right there. So that is the plan in totality. When you move to the individual rooms, that is what you have. This is the lounge. As I stated, this is a very low budget home, so you don't want lots of space. You really want to optimize your use of space. So you can have a very big and comfortable L-shaped sofa right there, with a small armchair on that corner or on this other end. And then from there you have this dining area. That's the dining area right there. You can easily fit also a rectangular table that can seat 6 people. This here is the kitchen. You have your fridge to the side here, your cooker there, and then your sink. In the kitchen, you always want that rectangular feel from the kitchen, from the fridge to the cooker to the sink. You remove your items from the fridge, wash, cook, and that is the process. From the kitchen, you can easily access the outside through this door to the kitchen yard, where you have your Dobby sink there, your laundry sink, and then the gas cage right there. And then, as I stated, once you cross this path here and then you get into the private areas of the home, you get into this first bedroom here, which can house 2 3x6 beds. And then the next bedroom there, which is the same size as this bedroom. It's just that the layout is a bit different. And these two bedrooms share this particular bathroom right here in the middle. So as you can see, the space efficiency is quite optimal. There's not much space wastage. Circulation space is very minimal. You have your master bedroom there with a corner window. I've always stated the benefits of a corner window in all my videos. First of all, that equals more natural light, and the second, the views. You get sort of like a panoramic view of your exterior. So it provides a really good experience for the occupants of that particular room. And then you have the bathroom there. So that's a master ensuite. And as I stated, that is a very simple house. 90 square meters. That means less cost, minimal space, minimal and efficient space usage. And the beauty about a rectangular structure, another advantage of a rectangular structure, is the fact that you have a faster construction time, because there are no corners, not many corners and all that. So that means that the structure is very linear, and a linear structure, very easy to construct. And also there is the prefabrication potential. You can decide to use prefabricated panels for this construction. So it has very many advantages. So that's it for today. If you have any queries, please post down in the comment section, or shoot an email to staraspectdesigns@gmail.com. Let's have a conversation about design, about efficiency of design, how you can lower your construction cost. This particular house was specifically for a low budget construction. So this house, it would probably cost from 2 to 3 million in totality. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, share it with some friends, and let's continue to learn. And as I always say, live large. And P.S., you can live large in a small home.